Hey, I'm Chantal. Welcome back to the channel. So recently we hosted a design, art and culture retreat here in Bali and it was amazing. This video is going to give you all the highlights, the places that we went to, the things that we saw, and just to give you a taste of what is to come because we are organising a new retreat next year. All the details are coming up in the video, so make sure you stay tuned.
And if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. In August, we hosted our very first Bali Design Retreat, bringing together a group of designers and creatives eager to draw inspiration from Bali's vibrant culture and forge new connections. The days were filled with hands-on workshops, guided tours, sourcing and artisan visits, and exclusive villa tours that sparked endless creative ideas. Participants experienced a perfect blend of creativity and rejuvenation with spa treatments, beach downtime, water purification and sound healing, all surrounded by the beauty of Bali's natural environment. Next year, 2025, we're thrilled to bring an even more elevated experience with our second Bali Design Retreat. This retreat will offer more opportunities for creativity, cultural immersion and wellness, all in one transformative journey. At the very heart of our Bali Design Retreat are immersive design workshops that spark creativity and inspire innovation. Our participants dive deep into hands-on experiences, learning sustainable design principles and cutting-edge techniques from industry leaders and local artisans. Whether it's sustainable architecture, Balinese craftsmanship, or eco-friendly interiors, every session is designed to ignite new ideas and fuel your creative journey. You'll also have the unique opportunity to tour beautifully designed spaces and meet with the architects behind them, gaining first-hand insight into the design process and inspiration. Inspiration is everywhere in Bali, from its breathtaking natural landscapes to the talented artisans. You'll meet incredible creatives like photographers and local artists and dive deep into the stories behind their work, their creative process, exploring how they capture the soul of Bali's culture, people and landscapes through their art. And beyond the workshops, you'll explore hidden gems from luxurious villas and artisans' markets to sacred spaces that will ignite your creativity. Bali is the ultimate destination for design and interior lovers, offering endless opportunities to source unique treasures. We'll take you on exclusive tours to uncover handcrafted decor, traditional crafts, and stunning architecture. You'll leave with lasting inspiration and tangible ideas, along with one-of-a-kind pieces to incorporate into your own projects. Bali's rich cultural heritage is woven into every aspect of our retreat, from intimate visits with artisans to guided tours of iconic landmarks. You'll experience Bali's traditions up close, witness sacred ceremonies, explore hidden temples, and connect with the island's artistic soul in ways few travellers ever get to. We believe creativity thrives when the mind and body are nurtured. Throughout the retreat, you'll have plenty of time to relax and recharge. One of the highlights is a traditional Balinese water purification ceremony, and it offers a reflective and calming experience. As part of your wellness journey, each guest will receive a voucher for multiple spa treatments at the resort. So whether you're indulging in a traditional Balinese massage or other rejuvenating therapies, every moment is designed to refresh your body, mind, and spirit. In addition to wellness, downtime is vital to your creative replenishment. So enjoy fun and relaxation at the beach, as well as moments of pleasure designed to revive your energy and spark fresh inspiration. One of the most valuable parts of the retreat is the connections you'll make. Through creative circles, networking dinners, and shared experiences, you'll build lasting relationships with like-minded creatives from around the world. It's an opportunity to collaborate, share ideas, and form friendships that will continue long after the retreat ends. Throughout the retreat, you'll stay at a beautifully designed boutique hotel in Ubud, surrounded by the tranquil beauty of Bali's rice fields. Each guest will have their own private room, offering a serene space to relax and recharge. With access to amenities like the gym, pool, yoga sessions, and guided rice field walks, your accommodation is the perfect balance of luxury and inspiration. It's more than just a getaway, it's a transformative journey. So join us from April the 18th to the 24th, 2025 for the next Bali Design Retreat. This is your chance to connect with a community of like-minded creatives, immerse yourself in Bali's culture, and reignite your creativity. You'll enjoy your own private room at a stunning boutique hotel in Ubud, daily design workshops, cultural explorations, wellness experiences, and so much more. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our past participants have to say.
I found so many things inside myself, and I know I can do this creatively, and I need the motivation to do that. It's definitely been a wonderful thing.
I definitely would recommend. I think Bali's a beautiful place, but it's hard to navigate independently, at least the first time. So especially if you're a design enthusiast, to be able to come here and have local people who know the best places to go and to kind of show you the ropes, like that for me just was worth it in and of itself.
We were able to not know each other, meet on the first day, become friends by the 7th, and I love that.
I would definitely recommend it. I would say like to just know that you're going to come in and you're going to come in with a clean slate and be able to see Bali's beauty, food, nature, architecture, design. I love the retreat. Please continue to do it again. It was amazing.
If you're ready to be part of a creative community, experience Bali's culture, and reignite your passion for design, secure your spot today. Visit our website for all the details and registration. We can't wait to see you in Bali.